Here's our tilapia. What I'm gonna do is put some blackened seasoning on there. I probably got 2 teaspoons in there. So I'm gonna come back with my buttermilk. Sometimes tilapia can be a little strong, so I'm gonna let that soak for at least an hour, hour and a half. Right now we have yellow, bolted. Bolted means it's sifted to a fine mix. I'm gonna take 1/3 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. I'm gonna put in on the front end, 1.5 tablespoons.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna use about 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons on
Making
that.
it hot?
I'm gonna do about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. It gives you a nice flavor in there as well. 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. You don't wanna go past 375. You can burn your oil and just have a terrible taste to it. Take our fish, plop it in there. Total cooking time on this ought to be about 5 minutes or less.
That looks so
Beautiful.
good.
Now the star of the show.
A little bit of fish.
Look how white and flaky that is.